Hi everyone. In this video, let us see exercise 2.2 of sets. The first question, A is equal to, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So let us find A intersection B. We know A intersection B. A intersection B is set of all x such that x should belong to A and x should belong to B. X belongs to A and x belongs to B. The common elements are available in A intersection B. So let us take the common elements. Let us first take elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements in A, and let us see whether each element is there in B or not. 1 is not 1 is in B, so this is a common element. Then 2 is in B, so this is a common element. Then 3, check 3 whether it is there in B or not. 3 is there in B. Now 4 is not there in B. So A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. So we can write A and B sets here and compare them. Now let us do that for B intersection A. So we want to find B intersection A. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us first take B here. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We want to write B intersection A. So what are the elements in B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Out of this, check whether 1 is in A or not. 1 is in A. So we have to write 1. Then 2. Whether 2 is there in A or not. Yes, it is there. So 2. Then 3. Whether 3 is there in A or not. Yes, 3 is there in A. Now 5. Whether 5 is there in A? No. Whether 6 is there in A? No. So this is B intersection A. Now A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. B intersection A is also 1, 2, 3. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Commutative property of intersection. Now let us go to the second one. If set A is equal to 0, 2, 4, find A intersection 5 and A intersection A. Comment. So given that A is equal to 0, 2, 4, we have to find A intersection 5. 5 is empty set. 5 is empty set. Empty set means there is no element in that set. Now we have to write A intersection 5. Now what are the elements in A? 0. Whether 0 is there in 5, check. 0 is not there. So we should not take 0. Then 2. Whether 2 is there in 5? No. So we should not take 2. 4. 4 is there in A. But check whether it is there in 5. No. So 4 is also not there. So what are the elements In A intersection 5, no elements. So this is equal to 5. It is an empty set. Now A intersection A. Check the elements in A. Elements in A are 0, 2, 4. Now take A again. 0, 2, 4. A intersection A. Check whether 0 is there in the second one. Yes. Whether 2 is there in the second one. Yes. 4 is there in the second one or not. Yes. It is there. So 0, 2, 4. All the elements in the above one are there in the below one. So A intersection A is 0, 2, 4. It is nothing but A. So what do we comment? A intersection 5 is 5. A intersection A is A. This is the comment. Now third one, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B and B minus A, or we call it A difference B or B difference A. Here it is B difference A. So what is A difference B? A minus B or A difference B is the element x such that x belongs to A but or and x does not belong to B. So first one, let us write. We want to A minus B. What is A minus B? To find A minus B, let us write A here. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So A minus B means element should be there in A but not in B. So now what are the elements here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Check these elements. If they are there in B, that should not be written. 2 is there in A. Is it there in B? No. So we can write 2. So 4. Check 4. 4 is there in A. Is it there in B? No, not there in B. So we can write 4. Now 6. 6 is there in A, but 6 is also there in B. So we should not take 6. Then 8. 8 is there in A, but not in B. So we can take 8. Then 10. 10 is there in A, but it is not there in B. So we can take 10 also. So take all the elements in A and cancel out the elements that are in B. So that is A minus B. Now let us take B minus A. Now take the elements in B, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Out of this, check for each element whether it is there in A or not. Say 3. 3 is there in B. Is it here in A? No. So we can write 3. Now 6. 6 is there in B, but 6 is also there in A. So we should not write 6. Now 9. 9 is only in B. So 9. Then 12. 12 is there only in B but not in A. So we can write 12. Then 15. 15 is there in B but not in A. So we can write 15. So we should take all the elements in B and cancel out the elements that are in A. So only 6. 6 is there in A. So we should not take it here. Now the fourth one. If A and B are two sets such that A is a proper subset of B. A is a proper subset of B. Then what is A union B? Let us take a Venn diagram. This is universal set mu. Now we have A as a subset of, as a proper subset of B. So there is a larger set B. A is subset and here B is superset. B is larger than A and there is a smaller set A. This inner one is A, outer one is B. So that means A is a proper subset of B. Now we want to find A union B. A union B means X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. The elements should be either in A or in B, of course, or in both. Now, whatever element we take in A will also be there in B. If we take some element here in A, this is also there in B. Now, we have to take other elements in B also. The elements in B are there in only B. The elements only in B should be here and the elements in A also should be here, A and B. So the elements here are always present in B, the superset. So A union B becomes B. All the elements in A are also the elements of B. So A union B becomes B. The fifth one, let A is equal to set of natural numbers, B is set of even natural numbers, C is set of odd natural numbers, D is set of prime numbers. Now we are asked to find some intersections. A intersection B. A intersection B. A is a natural number. A is a set of natural numbers. B is a set of even natural numbers. So the intersection means the element should be in both the sets, in set A and also B. So B is even natural number. So all the even natural numbers are there in A. But the other numbers are not in A. So some numbers, say even odd natural numbers that are in A are not in B. But all the even natural numbers are in both A and B. So the common elements are even natural numbers. X such that X is an even natural number. So A intersection B is B itself. Then A intersection C. A is the set of natural numbers. C is odd natural numbers. So all the odd natural numbers are there in A. So all the odd natural numbers are the common elements in A and C. So A intersection C is C. Then A intersection D. A is set of natural numbers and D is set of prime numbers. So all the prime numbers that are in D are also they are in A. So the common elements of both A and D are only prime numbers. So A intersection D is D. Then B intersection C. B intersection C. B is even natural numbers. B is even natural numbers, an even natural number, and C is odd natural number. So we want to take out common elements. There is no common element in even numbers and odd numbers. No even number will become odd number and no odd number will become even number. So this is empty set. B intersection C is 5, empty set. Then B intersection D. B is even natural numbers and D is prime numbers. B intersection D. B is even numbers and D is prime numbers. We know prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, etc. Among all prime numbers, only 2 is even. So B intersection D is 2. C intersection D. C is odd natural numbers and D is prime numbers. C intersection D. Set of all x such that x is odd natural number and x is prime number. So we can list out in roster form also. We can write it as 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. X is odd natural number and x is odd prime number. So we can write like this also. X is such that x is an odd prime number. We have finished all the intersections. The sixth one, A, B, C, D sets are given. We want to find differences. The first one, A minus B. So A is given, B 3, 6, 9. Take A here. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Then take B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. A minus B or A difference B means the element should be in A but not in B. So take the elements in A. If there are any elements in B also, we can cancel out those elements. So here 12 is there in B. So this we should not take. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Then A minus C. A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Then C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now what are the elements there in C? which are in A. You check. 3 is not there in C. 6 is there in C. So in A minus C, we should not write 6. 9 is not there in C. 12 is there in C also. So we should not write 12. Then 15, 18. These are not in C. So we have to write A minus C as 3, 9, 15, 18. Then third one, A minus D. A minus D. A is this one and D. D is 5, 10, 15, 20. A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And what is D? D is 5, 10, 15, 20. D is 5, 10, 15, 20. So check whether any element is there in A is also there in D. 3, 6, 9, 12, these are not there in D. But 15 is there in D also. 18 is not there in D. So A minus D means we should not write 15. All other elements in A can be written except 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 18. Then the other one, B minus A. B minus A. What is B? B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then what is A? A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now we have to check for the elements in B. If there is any element in B is also there in A, we should drop that element. 4, 8, they are not in A. So 12 is there in B also. 16 and 20, they are not there in A. So B minus A is 4, 8, no, we should not write 12, 16, 20. Like this, we can solve the other problems here. Then the seventh one, state whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means there should not be any common element between the given sets. Set A and B are called disjoint if there is no common element. If there is no common element. That means A intersection B is empty set. So here two sets are given in each problem. First problem 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. The second set 3, 6. We have 3 here and 3 here. So it is said that they are disjoint sets. So it is false. What is justification? There is a common element 3 in both the sets. Now second one, the set is AEIOU. AEIOU. Here A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. So we have A here also, here, and in second set also there is A. So we have a common element A. So they are not disjoint sets. It is false. The statement is false. Third one. First set here is 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. Second set is 3, 7, 11, 15. So there is no common element between these sets. So they are disjoint sets. It is true. Justification is there is no common element. Fourth one. First set is 2, 6, 10. Second set is 3, 7, 11. So here also there is no common element. So these two sets are disjoint sets. So given statement is true. See you in next video.